So Leo is going to have to pay an import tax, anything over $1,000. So if I let X be the value of the item, X minus 1,000 is what he's going to pay tax on. It's a 7% tax, and we know that the tax amount is $87.50. So right off the bat, I'm going to multiply both sides by 100 and get rid of those nasty. Get rid of those nasty decimals. So that's 7x minus 7,000 equals 87.50. If your algebra's decent, you can combine these two steps. Get rid of your decimals and parentheses in the same steps, just save you a little bit of time. And then you're going to add that to both. You're going to add 7,000 to both sides, and that's going to give you 15,750. And then your division is going to go pretty fast. So that's 2, 14, 2. There's only one answer that has a 2 and 2, so you could stop right now. It's going to be C that starts with a 2 and 2. I can finish it out. 35, and that's going to be 50. Hope that helps.